Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke sama ula pentep baka sarkar ke Shem Jingeh banyo Jaka ban penakum ki Jaka Pyllang neki catchment area namar baki Trai Jaka kim ai satya haba jawab hapo ke yeng dorban takasngi halor ke jingkeli ke belawan ra dau MLA ke Mausram uba Olan Singsun Conrad ula ong baka sarkar kala penteri kam ya kam Meghalaya Protection Catchment Area Act khat khandai spa khandai pho Henry namar baka lamat ya kani ke Jingeh kala don ke jing pen kre banwan ra no ya ka jing pekala ya kani ka an kaban nya hap ya ka jing long jing man ulaong baka sarkar kala jet ki kat to kat ni ki Jaka ki balapan hap ha ka Jaka Pyllang ha keleng ki Jaka ha ka jela ulaong bakat kum kani ka an kadang kam banyo ka jing munjur na ki Trai Jaka ling ba ka jing tho banla ban pen bana kum ka Jaka Pyllang bat kani kala Shem Jingeh ka sarkar banya chakmat haba kam yo ya ka jing munjur na ki Trai Jaka
Meghalaya Protection of Catchment Area Act 1990 could not be implemented effectively. B. Sir, does not arise in view at A above. C. The Meghalaya Protection of Catchment Area Act 1990 does not provide any other mechanism for creation of catchment areas except through consent of the landowners, which is extremely difficult to secure. However, a comprehensive amendment of the Act is under consideration. D. Yes, sir, the Catchment Area Advisory Board was constituted. E. Sir, the designation of the members of the Catchment Area Advisory Board as notified by the state government by notification number FOR.151/89/PT/82 dated 21/7/2017 is as per statement placed on the table of the House. The department has identified multiple areas. So some of them are as follows. So Shillong Town, Red Laban Forest, Riyadh Laban Reserve Forest, Light Core Protected Forest Compartment number 6. So detailed maps of that are available. So the East Khasi Hills District, Pyllang Reservoir. So Southwest Khasi Hills, Cree River Watershed under Mairang and Sianadi Block. So Garo Hills, Nokrek Biosphere Reserve, Riboy Sarumiam Water Reservoir, East Jenti Hills, Umpung Watershed, West Jenti Hills, Mintudu River Watershed. Apart from many others also that are there, but these are the main critical ones that have been identified, sir. Remember, are very, very genuine, sir. And just so that everybody in the House is, sir, aware that the Catchment Area Protection Act actually was a very, very good act that was supposed to be implemented for the precise purpose that the Honourable Member has mentioned, sir. But in the act, sir, I'll just read out this one section, just take me 15 seconds, sir. Section 151, Government may, on the advice of the Advisory Board and on receipt of the consent of the landowners in writing, in the form to be prescribed for this purpose and whose terms and conditions are binding on the parties concerned, by notification declare an area to be a catchment area. So the Act specifically says on receipt of consent of landowners in writing. So in all the locations where the government has tried in the past in order to declare catchment areas, so sadly we have not got the written consent from the landowners. Yes, we have had people coming in, villagers coming in, NGT coming in, all other organizations and individuals coming in saying that declare it as a catchment area, whichever area it is. But because we did not get the consent in writing from the landowners, which is very crucial, sir, in our state, we are not able to move forward, sir. Number two, sir, the point mentioned by the Honourable Member, this is not just for large or small, sir. This is applicable to every critical area. So therefore, a critical area could be a very small area also, doesn't have to be large area, it could be a small area. And just for the benefit of what critical means, sir, a critical catchment area means the areas from where springs, streams, rivulets and waterheads originate and serve or can potentially serve the water supply system of any village or town or a group of them, and the preservation of which is so vital for the life and health of the community. So hence the definition is very clear. It does not prescribe a particular hectare or the size of the water body, but the criticality of the water body, which is defined by the need for it or providing vital life and health to the community, sir. So therefore, to answer the honorable member's question, whether small or big, sir, both catchment areas, as long as they're critical, are very important to us. And sir, I think this is a good chance for me to appeal through you to our MLAs, to the August House and to the society at large, that we need to work together as a society and as a community to achieve this goal, sir. The landowners' consent is required. The public and the villagers, their support is required. And hence, it's only if we work together can we actually come to a real solution in this, and it is the need of the hour. And I hope, sir, that through you I'll be able to give a message to the landowners, especially in these critical catchment areas, that we need to work together for the larger interest of not just the state right now, but for the generations to come in the future.